Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together.
Hi everyone, I am so happy to see you. Welcome back to Alphabet Yoga. Today, we are exploring the rolling, racing, and radiant letter R. Are you ready to move? Before we start our R adventure, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a letter. Take a big breath in, and let's go. Stand up tall and reach one arm way over your head, leaning to the side. Imagine you are a giant, colorful rainbow stretching across the bright blue sky. Make your body into a beautiful, glowing arch. Reach those fingers toward the horizon. Stretch your colors out wide. Hold your position. We are almost there. Keep that rainbow curve steady. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what a bright rainbow. Stand very straight with your arms stiff at your sides. You are a shiny metal robot. Make your muscles stiff and strong like steel. Be as still as a machine. Keep those robot arms stiff and don't let your gears wiggle. Be super strong and steady. Hold your position. We are almost there. Stay in robot mode. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you are an amazing robot. Kneel down. Tuck your chin to your chest and reach back to grab your heels. Tuck yourself in like a little bunny rabbit hiding in the secret garden. Imagine you have long, floppy ears tucked back. Stay small and quiet, little bunny. Hold your position. We are almost there. Don't let the garden fox see you wiggling. Stay tucked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so hoptastic. Stand on your tippy toes and reach both hands as high as you can, touching your palms together. You are a powerful rocket ship ready to blast off into space. Point your nose toward the distant stars. Reach for the moon. Stay tall and balanced on your toes. Hold your position. We are almost there. Countdown for liftoff. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, we have liftoff. Stand with your feet apart and fold forward, letting your body hang. Wiggle your fingers toward the floor. Imagine you are a big rain cloud. Your fingers are little raindrops pitter-pattering on the dry grass below. Let your raindrops fall. Wiggle those fingers and let your head be heavy. Hold your position. We are almost there. Keep the rain falling. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so refreshing. Sit on your bottom with your legs straight out and reach for your toes. Your legs are a long, flowing blue river. Reach forward like the cool water trickling toward the deep sea. Keep flowing toward your toes. Stretch your river long across the land. Hold your position. We are almost there. Don't let the river stop flowing. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, great flowing. Squat down low and put your hands together in front of your forehead to make a horn. You are a strong, powerful rhinoceros. Show me your big rhinoceros horn and your strong, steady legs in the grass. Stay low and strong. You are the king of the savannah. Hold your position. We are almost there. Keep your horn pointed forward. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so a tough rhinoceros. Get on your hands and toes, keeping your back as flat as a tabletop. Imagine you are a long, straight road for colorful cars to drive on. Keep your back very flat and your tummy strong and steady. Stay flat as a street. Don't let the road bend or break. Hold your position. We are almost there. Be a sturdy path for the cars. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, a very sturdy road. Kneel on the floor, sit on your heels, and rest your forehead on the ground. You are a round, quiet rock at the bottom of a giant mountain. Stay very still and very heavy on the earth. Be as still as a stone. No moving at all. Hold your position, we are almost there. Feel the sun warming your rock back. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so peaceful. Sit with the soles of your feet together. Reach your arms under your legs and lift your feet slightly. Imagine you are a beautiful red rose. Open your petals gently toward the warm golden sun. Bloom big and bright. Balance like a flower on a stem. Hold your position, we are almost there. Stay pretty and still in the garden. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what a lovely rose. Lay completely flat on your back and spread your arms and legs out wide. You are a soft, fuzzy rug on the playroom floor. Melt into the ground and make yourself very, very flat. Melt into the floor. Be super fuzzy and soft under the toes. Hold your position, we are almost there. Feel how heavy and soft you are. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so comfy. Stay flat on your back, close your eyes, and place your hands on your tummy. It's time for a quiet rest. Imagine you are floating on a soft, fluffy red cloud in the sunset sky. Breathe in and out slowly. Stay very quiet and still. Hold your position, we are almost there. Floating higher and higher. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you did it! Take one more big deep breath in and blow it out like you're blowing out a birthday candle. You did a radiant job with the letter R today. We were rainbows, rockets, and even sleepy little rabbits. Notice how your body feels grounded and centered now. You are strong, you are smart, and you are ready for a great day. I can't wait to see you for our next letter. Namaste.
From A to Z, we stretched and we played, learned every letter, a yoga parade. We balanced and bent, we twisted and flew. Alphabet yoga, we love you. Stretch and learn, breathe and grow. Seeds of knowledge, watch them sow. With every pose, a letter we knew. Alphabet yoga, it's true.